Hello world, hello Philippines. This is Food Daddy. Welcome to my channel. We are going to cook today the Philippines fried lechon belly. The best lechon belly you ever taste in the whole world. Okay, let us start cooking. There are the menu, the ingredients, just copy it for your usage afterwards. Pork belly, the salt, MSG, onion powder, the spring onion, red onion, garlic, the black pepper, star anise, and also the magic syrup, the abacat wine, and the industrial needle. Okay, there you are. Let's start our mixing. So on the belly, let's put first the salt. Spread the salt over the pork belly. Sprinkle it, and next is be sure to sprinkle all over the part of the belly, and the next is our MSG. So MSG is very important because it will add the yummy of our belly. So it's just a part of it. Okay, you have to massage. Be sure that all the parts of the belly is distributed by the salt and the MSG. And then let us put the spring onion, and the next is the garlic, then the red onion. So you just distribute it all over the belly. Make sure that all parts will be even distributed. And then next is you put the black pepper, the cracked black pepper. And then next is the star anise. I think all over the world the star anise is available. And then you put the magic syrup. In exchange of magic syrup, there are a lot of seasonings all over the world. And then this is also optional. You can also opted to not to put magic syrup. This is a product of magic syrup. So actually we are just putting up all the ingredients all over our belly because we are going to sew this. Then the last is the onion powder. Onion powder is different from the fresh red onion because the powder will add the yumminess of our belly. Okay, so we finished putting our ingredients and spices over the belly. So we are now going to sew this. So we need the abacat wine and the industrial needle. The industrial needle is available anywhere in the hardware, or if you have seen the needle that they are used in sewing the sacks, those are the needles that we are using here. Just watch our separate videos on the step-by-step in sewing our belly and the cooking of our lechon belly. We will cook this for about 3 hours because belly is not like the young pig that is very young yet. This is 4 to 5 months, so we need to roast this for 3 hours. So after 3 hours we already finished the cooking. we remove the skewer and pack it. We have to rest for 15 minutes before we pack our belly so that the crispiness will remain. So the crispiness of our belly will remain for good for 48 hours. Then we pack it by our packaging pack and it's ready for transport anywhere in the Philippines. So if you have any questions for the menu or for the preparation of this, just comment below. We are very much willing to answer your questions. And remember, this is good also for businesses. I have been to this business for 6 years already. Anyone who is interested to have a business for lechon belly, just comment here. We will teach you. Even where you are in part of the world, we are very much willing to give you the support. Okay, so I hope you get our processes. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please don't forget to press that bell button so that every time we have a new videos for cooking, you will be notified immediately. Okay, thank you very much for the time, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.